Plantain lilies, commonly known as hostas, are beloved perennial plants prized for their elegant foliage and charming flowers. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, cultivating and nurturing, these beauties can be a rewarding experience. In this guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps to successfully grow and care for hostas in your garden. 1. Selecting the perfect spot. Hostas flourish in partial to full shade, making them excellent choices for shaded corners, woodland gardens, and under trees. While some varieties can tolerate more sunlight, it's generally best to provide them with shelter from intense afternoon sun. Choose a spot with well-draining, moist soil rich in organic matter. Hostas appreciate protection from strong winds, especially if you live in a windy area. 2. Planting. Plant hostas in the spring or fall, avoiding extreme temperatures. Follow these steps to plant them effectively. Dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball of the plant. Seed the soil with compost or well-rotted manure to enhance fertility and drainage. Place the hosta in the hole, ensuring that the crown, where the leaves emerge from the roots, is level with the soil surface. Fill the hole with soil, gently firming it around the plant. Water thoroughly after planting to settle the soil and remove air pockets. 3. Watering. Maintaining consistent moisture is key to hosta care. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Applying a layer of mulch around the plants will help retain soil moisture and keep weeds at bay. 4. Fertilizing. Hostas benefit from a balanced fertilizer regimen. Feed them in early spring as new growth emerges, and again in midsummer to sustain their vitality. Choose a slow-release granular fertilizer and apply according to the package instructions. Avoid excessive fertilization, as it can lead to overly lush foliage with reduced resistance to pests and diseases. 5. Pruning and maintenance. Hostas are generally low maintenance, but some upkeep is necessary for their optimal growth. Remove spent flowers, deadhead, to encourage energy allocation to leaf development rather than seed production. In late fall, after the foliage has withered, trim it back to the ground to maintain a tidy appearance and prevent overwintering pests. 6. Pest and disease management. Hostas are hardy plants. They can face challenges from pests and diseases. Slugs and snails are common pests that can damage hosta leaves. Use organic or commercial methods to control them, such as diatomaceous earth, beer traps, or copper tape. Fungal diseases like leaf spot and crown rot can occur in humid conditions. Adequate spacing, good air circulation, and avoiding overhead watering can mitigate these issues. 7. Division. To ensure vigorous growth, divide hostas every few years. Here's how to do it. Choose either early spring as new shoots emerge, or late fall before the first frost to divide your hostas. Gently dig up the entire plant, preserving the root system. Divide the clump into sections, ensuring each section has healthy roots and several shoots. Replant the divided sections at the appropriate spacing and water thoroughly. 8. Winter care. Hostas are generally hardy, but a little winter protection can go a long way in harsh climates. Apply a layer of mulch, straw, or leaves around the base of the plant to insulate the roots and prevent frost heaving. Avoid piling mulch directly against the crown to prevent rot. 9. Variety selection. Hostas come in an array of sizes, leaf shapes, and colors. Choose varieties that complement your garden's aesthetic and suit your growing conditions. In conclusion, growing and caring for hostas involves providing the right conditions from shade and moisture to proper fertilization and pest control. With a little attention and care, your hostas will reward you with their graceful foliage and charming presence in your garden year after year.